Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for May 12th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair created an inside bar today, so look for the breakout. It did close higher, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 93.76, possibly as low as 91.92. Look for some resistance around 93.75, and look for some support around 91.75. Okay, let's take a look at the Euro-USD pair. This pair moved lower. It's getting real close to a significant area of support. Look for it to break through that area. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with the bias to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 127.98, possibly as low as 125.23. Look for some resistance around 127.50, and look for some support around 125.25. Okay, now looking at the pound-US dollar pair, this particular pair closed down during today's session, had a decent range, but nonetheless moving sideways. Definitely look for this pair to possibly go as high as 151.18, possibly as low as 147.22. Look for some resistance around 150.50, and look for some support around 147.50. Okay, now looking at the US Swiss, this particular pair closed down, but just barely during today's session. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 11200, possibly as low as 11010. Look for some resistance around 11175, and look for some support around 11025. Well, that about wraps that up. No real news announcements for tomorrow. What I'm looking for during this next session, we have the U.S.-Japanese yen pair that has created an inside bar. Do look for the breakout. If you want to take a little scalp, you could use the next bar, double inside bar in a row, basically 2 days in a row of an inside bar. Look for a potential breakout and look for it to go ahead and move to the next area. Now, this to the upside is about 14 pips. I do believe if you took that scalp that you could take it and be profitable. The move to the downside is a little bit greater. You basically take it and look for it to come on down to this area of support. That's about an 80 pip move. So depending on what you want to do, scalp or take the long move, it's up to you. Now the Euro-USD pair, nothing really going on there. The pound-US dollar pair, however, let me pull that up. There we go. Did create a swing trade setup to the upside. And you can look for a potential breakout and come on up to this area of resistance there. Let's take a look at what that looks like. There we go. Got your trend line, got your breakout, and have your exit. About an 80 pip move on that swing trade breakout move. So whichever of those three you want to take, that's what I'm looking at. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.